Hello guys, in this lesson we will talk about how we can use the dictionary type of the Python programming language. Okay, and so what is dictionary? Dictionary is like the integer or the string or the list class, or it's another class definition in which we can use it like hash table. Okay, it works with the associative arrays or the hashes found in Perl, or consist of the key value or the sum pairs. Okay, and so in every dictionary values we have the key, and it's related to the value pairs is stored. In C or C++ programming language, we can utilize, or we can match this function with the map class. Okay, and so in order to create this dictionary value, we need to utilize the fancy parentheses like this one. Okay, just remember that if we use the just parentheses like this one, this is the list, but in the dictionary values we can utilize the fancy parentheses in order to define or create this variable. Okay, and so in order to use or create the dictionary value, we can define these things, and so the type of these things is dictionary class. Okay, dict var can be defined like this one. Okay, and so if we are run this code, and then we have these things, and so we can print the type of this dict var value in here like this one, and so class dictionary is given in here. Okay, and so it's a class, and then this has or possess some methods and the property related to related to variable manipulations. Okay, and so clear, copy from keys, and these are the related function or the methods related to this dictionary class, and so the other things is the internal operator overloading mechanism and the constructor mechanisms. Okay, and then what? How we can initialize or add some values in our cases. For example, dictionary 1 can be given in here like this one. We can define these things. The 1 is equal to this is the value, and so this is the in this case this is the key. Okay, and so dict var can be assigned like this one. Okay, and so if we are using this term, this is related to the key value, and so this is the definition of the values or stored value related to this key definition. Okay, and so if we can print this value like this one, and then the key and this is value is stored in here. Okay, it's not the case if we are using the string or any integer or the number variables in here like this one, and so we don't need to use in other way with the same type. Okay, and so this could be integer, but this could be the string or another dictionary or the list value in this case. Okay, and so we can also give the integer value like this one, and so this is also value in here, and then if we are writing these terms like this one, and so the key, this value 2, this are another key in here like this one, and so this is also value, or this is related to the 2 key value. Okay, and so how we can define another dictionary variable in here, and so dict variable can be assigned with the initial values. Okay, and so in order to create these values, for example, the name is we can use the double dot in here in order to assign the what the value in here. And so this is the John or Mehmet, and so we can print the comma in here like this one, and so the 1 2 3, and then we can give the what the ID no, and so the depth or what, so for example the grade can be given by the what 100. Okay, and so if I run this code and then print the whole variables in here like this one, dict variable, and so the name Mehmet, 1 2 3, ID no, and grade can be assigned in this case. Okay. And so how can we utilize these things? We can print the whole dictionary value by using the print function body in here, and so also we can reach the what the keys of the what the these values, and so we have the keys function in here like this one, and also we have the values function, and so these two terms or the method returns in the former place the keys and the values. Okay, and so if I run this code, the dict keys name 1 2 3 and grade, and so dict values Mehmet, ID no, and 100. Okay, this is how we can create the what the dictionary values of R in this case. For example, we can create the sum another dict var 1 like this one. For example, 1 is related to 1 2 3, it's a list, and 2 Mehmet, and 3, and so we can use the tuple in here like this one 1 2 3, and so there's no error in here. Okay, and so in the print case dict var 1 can be written on this page and so we have also values in here like this one 1 2 3. Okay, and so how can we access the elements of the what the this dictionary value? And so example 2, for example, my dict is equal to the what the ID no, and 1, and age, for example 20. Okay, and so if we are using these terms and then the print my dict, and so ID no can be written on this page, and so ID known is a key value of these things, and so this return value of the my dict this function is equal to the what its value. Okay, and so obtain or getting the values by using the keys. Okay, or we can print another value, my dict is the what the age, return value is the what the 20. Okay, and so if we have these things in here like this one, how we can use, or how about the another term? Another can be given in here, but the any key is not given at this moment, and so if I run this code and so traceback throws an error in here because the another is not written in the what in my dict dictionary value. Okay, or we can check this value like this one, my dict get function body in here, and so get returns to what it's okay or not. Okay, and so my dict get another my dict get another returns to none value, and so we can easily check the what's the key of this dictionary, and so how we can use in the related term. And so it's not, or it returns to the non-value in here like this one, and so we cannot utilize this key in here. We can check all the values in here like this one. And so how about adding some new data on the dictionary value or dictionary class? Okay, example 3 can be given like this one. My dict can be copying in here. And so how can we change the values of the my dict? Firstly, the h can be assigned to the new value, for example 30. Okay, and so we can print the my dict in here like this one, and so we're writing again, and so the age is equal to what? The 30 in here. Okay, and so if we are using or adding to some new material in here like this one, my dict, and so we can give the new variable or new key in here like this one. Name is equal to what? The Mehmet. Okay, just easily set this value, and so the ID know 1 age 30 and name is Mehmet. Okay, we can add the every values by using these diagrams. Okay, or we can create some another dictionary values in here. For example, we have the numbers or numvars in here, and so 1 is equal to the 1, 2 is equal to the 3, 3 is equal to the what? 4, and 4 is equal to the 10, and 5 is equal to the what? 20. We can define these numvars in the what? In the variable of the dictionary. Okay, and so numvars can be rewritten on this page. And so how can we delete some values in here? For example, we can print the numvars dot pop of item in here like this one. For example, if we set the 4 value in here, and so numvars will rewriting again, and so you need to look at this. This is equal to the what? The pop value returns to the 10 because the 4 is related to 10 value in here. And so if we are calling the pop function in here, and then 1, 2, 3 and 5 keys are stored in here or remains in the dictionary, but the pop 4 or the key value terminated or removed from this dictionary. Okay, and so in the another case we can utilize these things like this one, num vars pop item in here. This is what? This is the related to the output or arbitrary item in given in here. Okay, and so if I run this code, and so 5 or the related to keys of the 5 is removed in here, and if we are trying to work this again, and so the 3 identifier is removed on this page. Okay, or numvars clear can be what? Can clear the whole dictionary like this one. Okay, and so if we have these things in here like this one, and then we can iterate or we can move some advanced topics related to what the dictionary values or dictionary usage in Python programming language. Okay, for example, if we have some marks in here like this one, var mark vars is equal to the what? The any dictionary value, because it's the initialization construction for the what dictionary can be given at this moment. And so we can use the from keys it's create the new dictionary with keys from iterable and value set to value. Okay, this IntelliSense gives us, and so we can give the what, the Mehmet, Ali, and İhsan can be given in here, and so in the second place we should give the what, the 0 value. And so what's the outcome of this marked vars? And so Mehmet, Ali, and İhsan is initialized with the what, with the 0 value. Okay, this is our related keys, this is our the what, our values. Alright, and so we can define the 1, 2, 3 in here like this one, and so this is also initialized to the what, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, or if we have this information in here like this one, 1, 2, and so if I run this code, and then we have error, and so the whole initial values related to dictionary is what, unique. Okay, in this case. And so if we have these things in here, we can define the sum for item in mark vars or iter in mark vars dot items can be given in here, and so print iter can be run at this moment, and so this returns to the what, the tuple values of the what, the Mehmet, Ali, and İhsan. Okay, and so if we have this information in here like this one, and then we can sort all these values in here like this one. For example, the print, we can convert the list value in here like this one, and sorted is another function in here, and then mark vars keys can be given in here, and so we can sort the every keys in the order of the what, in the order of the general rules. Okay, and so if I run this code, the Ali, İhsan, Mehmet is written on this page because the A is coming from the first thing in the alphabet, and I and M is related in these things. Okay, and then what? We can move to another example in here like this one. For example, if we have the num vars variable in here, and so we can define the dictionary by using the fancy parentheses in here, and so for example I can be assigned in here, and so this is our key value, but the I times I for I in range is another function. It generates to the what, to the some specific numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's a sequence number can be generated in here, and so this a diagram or the sentence or axiom creates to the what, to some sequence in dictionary usage. For example, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, it's a square, and so the 4 is related to 16 and 5 is related to what, 25. Okay, or we can define the empty dictionary in here, and so for example x in range 6, and so the num vars identifier is related to what, the x, and so x times x, and then we can print the what, the num vars value. Okay, and so this both the identical in the what, in the usage of the initialization of the what, this dictionary value. Okay, or we can condition this num vars value with what, the I, it's an identifier or the key value in here like this one, and so E times I for x in range of the what, 6, and if I percentage or remaining operator in here like this one, 1 can be assigned in here. Okay, we can assign the whole things like this one, but the x should not be written in here. And so if I run this code, there's no error in here, and then we can print the num vars, and so 1, 3 and 5 is initialization values of this dictionary, because we can print the whole values in here like this one. And so this 4 is in the range of the what creating this array value. Okay, and so if we have these things, and then this print, this can be given in here. And so if I run this code, there's an error in here, because we should condition the whole data like this one. Okay, and so how we can condition the whole dictionary values in this case? For example, if we have some num vars value in here like this one, 1 1 2 2 and 3 3, or we can create the sum I in the what for value I in range 10. We can create these things, and so we can print the num vars in here like this one. Okay, these are the dictionary value. And so how we can check the one in num vars? It's key value, it's true. But if we are using the 10 in here like this one, and so it returns to the false. Okay, and so this value creates the boolean value, and so it checks the whether this key is included in the num vars or not. Okay, we can treat the whole things like this one, or if we have these things, we can print the whole values in here I, and so we can print the num vars value I can be reachable at this moment. And so this what is related to our study or our dictionary. Okay, and so we can apply the built-in function on the dictionary, because dictionary is a standard built-in library or the class, and so it's current for the usage of any function or any built-in function in in this case. For example, we can check the print len value num vars like this one, and so this we can comment of all these things, and so 10 is the number of the elements of these things. Okay, or print all function can be given in here. Okay, and so if I run this code, the all function returns to the false. And what's the all function? Returns true is the bool x is true for all values x in the iterable. Okay, and so iterable is empty, return to true. What does it mean? It means that we have a variable in here like this one to be conditioned. Okay, or we can simply the sorted function in here like this one num vars. Okay, but it's always the sorted in any way. Okay, and so these are the basic introduction to our dictionary usage in the Python programming language. Okay, and so in order to learn about how we can iterate or improve our knowledge about the dictionary usage, you need to solve some complex examples, or you need to create some arrays with the constituent of the dictionary values. Okay, and so these are the basic introduction related to dictionary class, and then you can use it in anywhere, especially in the database class or the process, and so you can iterate your knowledge about the dictionary class. Okay, Hi guys, today we're going to start to do debate about the sets in Python programming language. Okay, and so in order to run our code we need to create the Python file .py, and so we can give the some title in here, set class. We should select the interpreter like this one, and so we can define our examples. Hi guys, today we're going to start to do debate about the sets like in Python programming language. Okay, in C++, in order to run our code we need to create the Python file .py in order to store any data into the some array or the some other structure. We can utilize the set. Okay, class. The set, it's specialized class, like including two features of the what we cannot use the index examples operator. Okay, to reach our elements or sets elements. It's like the hash table, which means that it's a constant value. C++, we can add or remove some data from the sets. In order to store any data, we cannot search the whole set some other structure. We can utilize by using the index operator. Okay. But the set, so it's like the hash table. It's specialized class, and we can define the feature of the what we can define the variable type in here, like this index operator. We can use the fancy parentheses like the dictionary or set, but we don't have any keyword in here. For example, which means that it's a constant value. We can add or remove some data from the elements of this set variable. We cannot search the whole set type of this variable by using the index operator. Okay, we have obtained the hash table to the what to the class. We can define here the set. We can define the variable type in here, like this any other set, my set, like this. We can use the default like constructor in here. We don't have any with the name of the what the set, and so we can call the function calling operator in here, and so it's called the constructor of this method and Kemal, and then we can give the elements of the list in set variable like this one. So A, we can print the type of this variable. If we have obtained to the what set to the class my set here. Okay, and so B, C, A is given. We can define any other set, my set, like this format of our set. We can use the first element of this list is equal to the A, the name of the what, second is B, and so we can call the function calling operator in here, and so it's called the constructor of these methods, like the hash table. And then we can give the what any data in here, like this one, format of our method. Okay, and so if we can add some elements in here, like this one, this set, for example, like this one, we can print our set B, C, A is written in here in this format, and in the unordered the format of our set, because the first element of this list is equal to the A, it's a random value, and the last one is equal to elements in here. But in the set structure, it's like the hash table. We can set that we cannot use the index operator in here, like this one, my set one. Okay, and so if I run this code, the typer is calling to elements in here, like this one, is not, for example, subscript. We can print our or not indexed in the written R in this format, and so these are the first example of added in the what set second elements page of our program. It's a random value to what store in elements in here. Okay, we can utilize the R set and also in here, like this one. The normal set can be we cannot use the index operator in here, like this one, my set 1. And so if I run this code, the type error is calling to what the set object, and we can also print this set, the normal set, okay, or not like indexed this one in the what the normal set program. Okay, and so BCA these are the first example of the what the set. We have another set in here like this one. We can utilize the frozen set constructor in here. We can utilize the R set in here like this one. The normal set can be elements defined in the what the page. Okay, B, and so we can print to the what the frozen set C value is here. And like we can also print this set, the normal can be given at this moment. Like and so this the frozen set is given in the what the frozen set constructor so with the what is stored in here. Also, it's like the what we have another set in C or C++ like programming language. We can utilize the frozen set to constructor in here, which we are given in order to what? In order to obtain the constant element. This operation in here like this one, okay, we cannot utilize the add operator to the what like the frozen set. For example, the C can be added in here, but like if I run this code, the frozen set object has given an attribute with the what the frozen set is given in the what the frozen set constructor with the what add G or insert. It's like the what to this array in C or C++ programming language. It's a constant values of any R to what elements, okay, which we are given in this case. This is how we can utilize the frozen set. If we have this in your program operation or in here like this your structure, maybe we cannot the sum elements should be constant like this one. In terms of the C can be added of the hash here, but and so run this code, the frozen set situation has no attribute we can utilize the frozen set add element to what so we cannot programmer or the any other programmer or to be what to be elements to this set. Okay, wrongly. Okay. We cannot insert and so any so elements. We can define the empty set how by using utilize the frozen terms. In your program, the empty space your the structure of maybe the sum elements should be constant. We can, in terms of the what, this in terms of the with the integer value. And so, if we have this situation, and then we can utilize the frozen set. We can print to what set the programmer or the any other programmer to be one to be set. This so set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is added into this set. And so we can call it the what the empty define set. The empty set class by using these terms. We can define the empty space in the constructor of the set, and so then we can have this information in here with the integer values. Okay. How we can utilize the set can be added in here in our so program. We can print this for example, set. If we have the any set with the name of the people, and so we can define the and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is added the set value to this set. And so we can call it what the empty set. Yahya can be stored in this set. We can define the set value in here. Set. Chris and then John. Okay. If we have this information in we here, can create any community. How we can utilize the set for the what for the set in our programs. And so, if we have the any set in here, we can reach the methods by using the name of the operator in here, and so we can define we may utilize the some elements or the algorithms which include the set value in here. And so one of them is the union. Kemal and union Yahya can be stored utilized to what to combine the whole. We can define the student into the one Chris set and John. Or set elements or the set object. We can create the community. It's a specialized name like for this one in the return value. And so if I run this code, any set Kemal, we can reach the methods by using the dot operator in here into the one we may utilize the hash elements or the algorithms which include in the set. utilized to what the sum is the other constructor or operator overloading is utilized to what in order to combine the whole two sets into the one. We can utilize the OR operator in here with the student value. Okay. And so if I copy of this code, the community given in here, like this one, in the return value, and so if I run this code, Ali, Kemal, Yahya, Chris, and John identical to each other into the what into the you may use or utilize these things, or you may use the union function, or we may utilize to what the sum other constructor or operator overload people that union function in here or method in here, and so people combine these two sets unchanged. We can utilize the OR operator in here also with the student value here like this one. And so if I copy this code, we can see the community to the people remains the same equal to the community. Ali, Kemal, Yahya, these are preserved in here, identical to each other. This is how you may use or utilize these things, or you may use the union function. It's identical. And if we change the people.union, or if we calling the people.union function in here or method in here, another set, and so people, or we can define the cluster operation. And so we can print also the people in here, like for example, the intersection or collection. We can see the difference. The people that we can use these operators or the functions are preserved into utilized effectively in the set. This is how we can collect the whole we can define the set one value with the specific constructor, and set two value is the specific constructor. And so we can fill this set by using the for loop in here like this one, another set 10, or we can define the cluster operation one at I in the set class, or for example, we can utilize to what or the range or the difference tree that we can use in here, and so set or the function can be filled by using this to utilize the effectively we can set class. Define the set firstly, one. We can define the set one value with the specific constructor, and set two value is the specific constructor can be assigned. And so we can fill this set by using the for loop in set here, like includes the 0 to 9 value, set 2 in here, includes the 3 set to 19 value, and so some can be used parts in here. These sets we can utilize to what collect into range one form. For example, 3 we can define the new here, and another set 3 2 can be filled by using this intersection method, and then be utilized in here. And so the set 1 intersection print with the arguments of the set 2 can be given in here, and then we can create the set 2 can be assigned as what as an intersection of this clusters. Set 1 includes the 0 to 9 value, set 2 includes the 3 like this one, 19 value, and so some other parts set 3 is sets only contained with the what with the 3 to 9 because it's the identical. We can define the new between another set 1 and set 2, and so set 1 we can create the set method can be utilized in here. Set 1 and so the set operator intersection 2 with the arguments of the set 2 can be given in here, and then we can create the set 3 set as a what as an intersection of these cluster results are identical to each other can be written in here, and so like this one is what the intersection set 3 is operators only contained with the what and with the 3 to we can define the difference identical or the same elements like between the set 1 and set 4 is equal to what set we can create the set difference can be called in here with the parameter of the set 2 and operator or set 2 for 1. And also we can define these terms set this one the set 3 and so we can print the these results are identical here each other. This one set 4 and so this is what the intersection 1 in here operators, and then 0, 1, 2,
and
0,
0,
so
1,
we can
2
define
is
the difference
given
operators
in the
in here,
like
at the
this
end
one.
of the this
For example,
paragraph.
set
And so
4
difference
is
returns
equal
to
to
the
what?
what
Set
the difference
one
difference
element, or
can be
different
called
elements
here with
of
the
the
parameter
what
of the set 2. Set 1
or
to the set 2.
for
Okay?
1 is equal to the
What
what?
about if I change the set 2 and set 1 in here? And so we can print
if I run this code,
the first term set 4 is equal
here,
to what? 0, 1,
like
2.
this one,
because the set 1 includes
set 4
these terms,
and
but
also
set 2 does
for
not.
1.
But in the second
here,
case, the set 2 elements
0,
are
1,
preserved
2, 0,
with
1,
the difference
2
of the what
is
the set
given,
1.
and so
in the
set
set
for
at the
1
end of
can be
this
created
code
like
and
this
so
one.
difference
Okay?
returns to the what
And so
the difference
you can
element,
use
or
the
some
different
other
elements
methods
of the what
in order to what
set
to
1
utilize your
to the
set
set 2
class in here.
What
But
about
this
if I change the set 2
and set 1 in
of the
here?
what? How
And
we
so
can
if I
utilize
run this
or
code,
use
the first term
2
set 4 is equal to
Python
0, 1,
programming
2
language.
because
Okay?
the set 1 includes these terms, but set 2 does not. But in the second case, the set 2 elements are preserved with the difference of the what the set 1, and so set for 1 can be created like this one. Okay? And so you can use some other methods in order to what? In order to utilize your the set class in here. But this is the simple and basic examples of the what? How we can utilize or use to set class in Python programming language. Okay?